What's up, guys? So last night was a very special night for me. I finally bought my official dream car. As you can tell, probably, I am sitting inside a Subaru WRX STI dream car. Got it yesterday. I traded in my beautiful WRX. If everybody has seen my channel before, you've seen I had my WRX red on black with the vinyl hood and stuff. That car is done with, and I had mixed feelings because I love all my cars. I love my cars, every single car I've owned. I love them. I bond with my cars. But last night it was a special night, man. I headed out to Santa Monica, negotiated. It just worked out too perfect. I gotta tell you guys on another video how I got it, at what price range I got it. It was ridiculous. What I was paying for my WRX monthly, this only came up like 40 bucks. Now I'm in a brand new, I had 10 miles, 12 miles, brand new STI, Recaro seats, short throw. I don't have a moonroof. My Subaru had my WRX had a moonroof, but I can live without that. It has a push to start. It has everything that I need. I didn't need no navigation system. I didn't need a sunroof. Happy and excited about this car. I'm gonna do hella videos on it. I got so many little goodies and extras that I'm gonna install soon from my WRX. They're letting me keep all my accessories. It was the perfect scenario, guys. I want to coach some of you guys, if you guys don't know anything about hustling and haggling and all that stuff, how to get what you want for the price you want and you feel comfortable. I'm gonna tell you that story at the next video. So subscribe, stay tuned, thumbs up, thumbs down, I don't care, but I will let you guys know exactly how it went down on the next video. I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys see the car. I'm gonna do a quick walk around video of the car. I'm gonna show all the specs, everything that it came with, just how I got it yesterday. So I haven't done anything to it. It still has the tag on, you know, when you buy a new vehicle, the safety tag, all that stuff. Please stay tuned, subscribe, and like I said, I'm gonna be posting that video of how I got this car and what the deal was. I might even mention how much I'm paying for my STI, in case a lot of people out there are wondering what it really takes to own an STI, because it's pretty intense. It's pretty difficult to get your hands on one, especially if you don't have no good credit, but we'll get into that in that video. So without further ado, let's check this car out.